In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Telegram experimental settings step by step so you can quickly find the hidden options inside the app and explore the features Telegram is testing. This is a simple tutorial, but if you've ever wondered where Telegram keeps these experimental tools, this video will make it easy. If this helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon. This is the three-line button that opens Telegram's main navigation menu. After the menu opens, tap on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps most of the app customization and account options. Inside Settings, scroll through the available options until you find Advanced, then tap it. The Advanced section contains deeper app controls, technical settings, and extra features that are not shown on the main settings page. Once you're inside Advanced, keep scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the bottom, you'll see Experimental Settings. Tap on that option to open it. Now you're in the Telegram Experimental Settings area. From here, you can test different experimental Telegram settings and explore features that may still be in development or available for testing. Keep in mind that these settings may change over time, and some options may not be available on every device or account. If you're trying out different features, it's always a good idea to take your time and only change settings you understand, and that's it. You've now learned how to access Telegram experimental settings in just a few taps. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.